with the Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra yet to sink in, here's a look back at Samsung's previous offerings. Smartwatches have become popular companions among smartphone users, functioning as extensions of the phone or providing other engaging features. All smartwatches possess an array of features, yet some excel in certain areas more than others. It's in deciding what matters most that users can find what best suits them. Samsung has been in the wearables market for a while, with its latest iterations, the Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch Ultra, just hitting the market. As the new wearables sink in, here's a list of other models to consider. Best Galaxy Watches. 1. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, sizes 40mm, 44mm, battery life rated 50 hours, GPS, yes swim-proof, yes LTE, optional. The Galaxy Watch 6 features noticeable design changes, refurbished inbuilt apps, and enhanced health functions. It has a sibling, the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, which swaps the sporty look of the base model for a physical rotating bezel. Both models sport large displays and improved band-changing mechanisms for a more user-friendly experience. 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5, sizes 40mm, 44mm, battery life rated 50 hours, GPS, yes swim-proof, yes LTE, optional. The Galaxy Watch 5 may not be a massive leap ahead of its predecessor, but its incremental upgrades make an already solid wearable even better. It boasts a skin temperature sensor, a more scratch-resistant display, and a longer battery life. The Watch 5 can last for 2 days and reach almost 50% charge from 0% in 30 minutes. Wear OS 3 with Samsung Skin offers more perks, including Google Assistant and better interoperability with other Samsung devices. For more GPS features and an even longer-lasting battery life, check out the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. 3. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, size 45mm, battery life rated 80 hours, GPS, yes swim-proof, yes LTE, optional. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is Samsung's best offering for active users taking on Garmin. Its GPS functionality makes it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The Pro model features a sturdier design, advanced GPS tools, and a longer battery life. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is perfect for those who prefer a substantially sized smartwatch, several days of battery life, and enjoy outdoor sports. By considering these models, users can find the Galaxy Watch that best fits their needs and preferences.